Okay, so here is what you need for your experiment for Volcano in a cup. You need a cup about that size, well, whatever size you want. You need some blue, well, whatever color you want. A food coloring, I'm using blue today. And you can see me with other ones using red and yellow. Okay, so, and you need vinegar, which smells really bad right now. And some baking soda. Okay, so first, you want to put like 3/4 of a cup in there. And then you need a spoon.
Oh, we put the spoon. It's already been put in the wash. Where's the spoon over here?
Oh, right here.
Here, we'll just use another.
Oh, you hear it?
Okay, here we go.
I was afraid it was going to go down the drain.
That's right.
And then take
The
3
producer's away.
scoops of baking soda. Stir that around till it turns white. Okay. And then need the food coloring. Right now. Might want to put like 3 in there. Now that looks really cool. Oh, that looks cool.
Oh, boy, it's beautiful. Look at the twirl.
Ooh, that's pretty.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay.
Something's happening already.
Yeah. Okay, so I guess we're gonna have to get rid of that beautiful twirl. Start mixing until it's blue, like light blue, because the baking soda is white. And mix that up. Then the last ingredient. Oh God, it smells bad. It smells really bad. Okay, you might want to put a gas mask on when you're doing this. And then
Vinegar.
bum
Here we
bum
go.
bum.
Ta-da.
Now if you want to test it, just put a little tiny bit, and if it sizzles like that,
You know you're ready.
then
Oh, there it goes. Blue everywhere. Oh, yeah. Oh,
yeah, there we
volcano in a
go.
cup. You can hear it all the way back here.
Okay, and let's check out.
And
Then you drink it.
Don't.
then don't drink it.
Okay, should I cut?
Here, no, not yet. So you just, if you want to do it again, you just put a little bit more water in it, and you put 1 more piece of baking soda in it. It might sizzle. Like that.
Okay.
And then go like this.
Okay.
And here it is.
You have a good shot?
Yep. Let's do it a little more.
There's not much water left in it.
Then you'll get a real volcano.
Yeah, if you had a lot of water, it would work great. Have to eat that. Okay, let's cut it and put it on.